Hello, my name is Anders Dahl. I'm the Vice President and Head of Saab here in Singapore, and very welcome to Saab and Singapore Airshow 2016. This week we will see the Global Eye Airborne Early Warning, Swordfish MPA, Remote Tower Solution, Towers Precision Strike Missile System, ground combat solutions like the 84 Enlo and Carl Gustaf, 9LV C4I system, Gripen fighter. With all of the new products we have to offer this year, Saab will be on the center of interest at Singapore Airshow 2016. Come and see us at our stand at D11, look at the new products. See you there.